Good evening, friends. We are going to see how to make some papa pomodoro. This is a soup where you can have it as a soup as it is, or the actual way of having it is to soak the bread in the soup. You put the bread, pour the soup over it, and let the bread soak in the soup, and then have it. So let's see the ingredients. You need two tomatoes peeled, skin removed, and tomato puree, basil leaves, some green peas. The frozen green peas is more than enough, it's already partly cooked. Olive oil, some garlic, around 2 to 3 cloves, thin slices of it is more than enough. Some nice zucchinis, this will be cut into cubes, and some sweet corn. And along with this, brown bread is a very good thing, or you can use some rusks for your soup. So in a pan, take some oil, heat it up, medium heat, add the garlic, let the garlic cook nicely, don't let it burn, the color has to slightly change into a soft texture, then add the zucchinis and the corn, and in this tear the basil leaves, fresh basil leaves, and add it to it. Ramar tulsi basically. If you don't have basil leaves, you can also add some thyme, or you can get the dry basil leaves from the store, whichever is it, but basil gives a nice flavor to it. Then cook it for a minute, then add the green peas and toss it around and let it cook for roughly around 2 to 3 minutes. You can cover it and cook it also, it will cook faster, but once we add all the vegetables, we are going to cover it and cook it anyway. So in this, you are going to add the peeled tomatoes. Blanch the tomatoes, put some score on the skin so that the skin comes off, and then crush the tomato with your hands and add it to it. This gives a nice chunky flavor to the soup, the tomato chunky flavor. And apart from this, you need a strong tomato flavor, so for that we are going to use the homemade puree, the brand called homemade tomato puree. You get it, or you can use any kind of tomato puree you want. Salt, pepper is added to it according to taste. This is more of a highly healthy dish, more vegetables into it, not much of masalas. So you have mostly the vegetable flavors. That is what you want in this. So once you pour the tomato puree, just add some water to the same container and wash it off. Mix it properly. And once it's mixed, just cover it and cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes or until all the vegetables are soft. Then once in a while just taste it, and if you feel the seasoning is less, adjust the seasoning. Now the presentation of this is that you're going to use the bread, brown bread. You can tear it into small pieces and put it all over the plate. Soup plate is better, or in a bowl, whichever you prefer. And then once that is done, you're going to pour first the vegetables and then the soup on top of the bread, and let it stand for roughly 50 seconds maybe, so that the bread can absorb all that moisture in it. This is not a thick soup, this should be a nice watery thin soup so that the bread can absorb it. At the end, you can have a nice flavor of the bread and the soup and the vegetables. It's more of a very thick soup, and then garnish it with a piece of basil.